Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ram ProMaster City Tradesman. This one, of course, is the cargo van. Echo! I'm a child. Open up both doors like so, then they lock into place. Oh no, that's just how it stops itself. But they do lock into place. You need to close first, second. Bingo. Both sides have a door. This bright white over black, 2.4 liter inline 4 multi-air engine, 9-speed automatic, total price of $27,740. Yeah. Curious to see what's under the hood. This is my first time actually even sitting in one of these. Pretty sure these are pretty much Fiat vans over in Europe. That's warm. All right. And then up here, you have a little cubby tray with netting. Just keep a bunch of stuff up there. Little cubby in here. You have your glove box, armrest, your e-brake. So this is for 2,500, but same basic key. In Europe, yeah, it's the same as a Fiat, because that would be a Fiat logo. All right. Something I also like. This is your locks. So, when you get in, you just go, but then when you need to get out, it unlocks itself and opens the door right away. Pretty smart idea. You do have a backup camera, which is nice because visibility is sometimes iffy in these vans. Speaking of visibility, it's phenomenally good. You can see everything. The only thing you can't really see is out these back windows here, because you know they're blocked off. But you do have little blind spot mirrors, which are extremely helpful. Honestly, it's not slow. Wow. What's so funny is a lot of people might be asking, why are you even bothering to drive one of these? It's so funny because the weirdest vehicles do well on this channel. Like express vans, Chevy express vans, they do awesome. So I'm hoping this video will do well on the basis that commercial vehicles tend to do very well because nobody really does reviews on them. Right now we're doing a review of what it's like to be stuck at a traffic light. Please. Please, just green light, please, stop. Ah, gap! This thing's a lot of fun. I'm sorry, this is actually a lot of fun to drive. And it sounds great, that 2.4. I love that motor. It's the same motor that was found in the Dart. And I think the Compass has it too. It's a riot of a motor. And for a 4-cylinder, it really does not sound bad. Right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.